Hey guys, so yeah, happy what day is it? Saturday, October 7th. So this is our current situation, and the forecast said nothing about rain, so that's what's crazy. It said the rain was gonna stop at 1, but now it's 2:10 and it's raining, pouring down, cats and dogs, y'all. Pouring down. We had to run coming here, and I just dried my hair from earlier. Yeah, the coconut. I get the first one. The cultural experience.
Go ahead, Shanique.
You're not done?
Listen.
Or maybe it's like a checkpoint. Maybe you just certain cars.
But then I had to.
Yeah, my kids would love it.
I barely got that.
Horse is
I've been
expensive, but
checking.
it looks very fancy.
That's
It's got a beach in it.
All
Resort in there.
inclusive.
It's so
Live aqua.
I'm like, I can't believe she just said that.
My AirPods.
Why we about to be taken?
This is where the horses are at, girl. You are too scared.
They said the beach. Where the beach is?
It's over that.
Hide it.
We gotta go
Oh,
to.
it's an Airbnb.
You say Airbnb, you're booking that one.
Those probably
It's a
their
bumpy ride.
They book through Airbnb. You know how you do activities?
Yeah.
I don't like the tinted little videos are gonna look sad and depressing. Don't look sunny, it looks sad outside.
We're here.
I see horses.
Are we here?
It's horses right there.
So we here at the beach to ride the horses. Look at the little cat, so cute. So we here right now, the horse is right there. And that's the guy we're following. Oh, there's some people right there already. Maybe they waiting for us. I don't know. They right there on the horse. So yeah. Oh. So we about to get on the horses. I haven't been in the horses since I was like 10. So yeah, I need a little one.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, the horse hungry. Even the horse think this is too.